Hi, I'm Josh West, a partner at Snowcap Labs, and today I want to talk to you about how to build a keyword list. It's one of the most basic things that we do here at the lab, and it's really the foundation of a very good search engine marketing campaign. So let's get right into it. Over here, I've gotten a list using the keyword seed green card. I use keyword discovery, and they've also given me the searches, and I've got the list in descending order so that we can see those topics that garner the most traffic. And so that's where we're going to start in making our ad groups. The most obvious of which that we make at first is I'm going to make green card, and I'm going to call it head, because this is the head term. This is the big dog in the group. As you can see, it gets lots of traffic, and we're going to probably need to make some special adjustments to that particular term during the campaign, so we don't need it mixed in with the other words. We'll just set it aside for the convenience of being able to handle it in the campaign. So let's go ahead and separate it from the group. Next, I'm seeing that these next two terms have lottery in them, and there's lots of search volume there. So I think what I really want to do now is get those lottery words out of there, and the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to use the search command here in Excel, and I want you guys to get a good look at that. And I'm always going to be referencing this blue cell that I had set up ahead of time to really call your attention to it. So let's reference that, and then I want to find the text over here, and then we're going to round out the formula, and away we go. So let's type lottery and see what happens. Propagate this. As you can see, it's found all of the words that have lottery in it, but now we need to get them to come to the top. So I'm going to use Shift Control Down, hotkey, to get us to the bottom of the list there. I'm simply going to come over here to Data. We're going to sort, and I need to sort by column D, and I want it to be ascending. Now let's use the hotkey Shift Control Up to get us back to the top of the list, and as you can see, now here we've got all of those words that contain lottery. Now you'll need to take a close look at these and make sure that they all really fit the psychological profile of that ad group, and that really all of those search terms are for people who want to know about the green card lottery. So, in the interest of moving on though, I'm simply going to name it green card lottery, and we can take a look at the relevance of all of those terms. We get finished with the entire list, and we want to look back through. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll separate those from the group. Now, you're also going to notice some terms sometimes that are obviously not for the particular group that you're trying to target. And in this example, if you look down far enough, eventually you're going to find credit card right there, green dot credit card. Now, if I'm trying to get to people who want to know about green cards, I certainly am not trying to sell them a credit card. But you'd never delete these words. Instead, just how we actively want to target certain keywords and advertise to certain groups, then we can also do that by having a negative keyword and saying that we really don't want to advertise to those people. So I'm going to go find them at this time. So I'm going to type credit. And here again, we're going to go through the same process, and we're going to get them to come to the top. So again, it's data, sort, column D, ascending, and then we'll use our hotkey to get back to the top of that list. So here, I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to make it negative. Sorry about that. And I use the word credit there. So as you can see, this is a nice little process, and you can move right along. So in the end, what you should end up with is a really coherent list of really good ad groups, and we've got the negative words out of there. Now, there's going to be some words there at the end that really don't fit nicely into one of the groups, and they don't have enough search volume to stand alone. And so after we've basically gotten all the ad groups that we can out, just how we started with the head, we'll end with the tail. And we'll take all of those words that are left over and we'll make an ad group called green card tail. And there you have it. So I hope this helps you in your ventures and helps you with your keyword building. We'll certainly put the finished list up to let you see how that turned out, and we'll also give you a template over there at snowcaplabs.com/blog. Josh West, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.